US100 showed a good swingful week, and that is what we predicted last week. I told you anywhere around 12,000, 12,100 levels, we can expect a drop in US100 and it can try to trade bearish from those levels. Precisely dropping from there, it has again come back till towards 11,500, which is a major support, and close the week at around 11,700 levels. Now, what to expect next week, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Towards the end of this analysis, I'll give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. So do watch till the end. Do like, share, subscribe and comment, and do press the bell icon. Pressing the bell icon will keep you updated with the daily updates which I share for NASDAQ 100 daily targets very early in the day with the Asia session, and next video with the US cash session. So do watch both. Let's start. And see, on the weekly charts, we can find higher lows were seen earlier and now higher highs are seen, precisely achieving the highs at these level. It has tried to retrace. Now, if you connect the dots, now if you just connect the highs here for these few candles, you'll find despite breaching for once, this is also precisely at achieved the highs. It indicates that it is trying to trade in a bullish triangle, bullish expanding triangle, and hence the bottom of which lies at around 10,800 levels, which is going to be a definitely good support. So yes, 11,150 200 zone for next week should be a very important zone for Nasdaq 100. If it breaks past 11,200, then only consider that as bullish, and you 12,200, then you can consider that as bullish, else it may continue to trade with a bearish momentum from here itself. Any opening below the zone, any opening below 11,650, and then taking it till towards 11,500, till 11,500, do not consider this as bearish. It may try to reverse a bit and then probably trade with a drop later. Hence, you need to be cautious in between 11,500 and 12,200 levels on the upside. At the same time, one must not forget that the bearish channel in which it is trading, the highs of this channel for US100 are situated at around 12,500 level, and possibility for it to achieve these levels are also exist, and hence beyond 12,150 200 levels, certainly you can stay long for 12,500, which is going to be 12,400, 500 are my favorite numbers for US100. This is certainly going to be a very strong resistance zone for it to breach past and sustain above those levels. Now, this is on the weekly charts. Let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you'll find that 11,500, which was the resistance earlier, is now proving out to be a good support. It is failing to breach past those levels. At the same time, higher highs are seen. Now, if you connect the dots here any point of time, if you see it trading beyond 11,800 levels next week, certainly you can remain long, and beyond 11,800 you can expect it, rather I will say beyond 11,840 you can expect it to achieve 12,000, 12,200 and then 12,500 levels. So yes, beyond 11,840 it will bring more bullishness in US100, and then 12,000 is certain. 12,200 can also be expected, and beyond that also cannot be denied. At the same time, 11,500 is now going to be a major support. Only breaching below 11,500 you can consider that as bearish, and there is a lot much ground to cover on the downside till towards 11,200, 11,000 and 10,800 levels. So this is one observation on the daily charts. Also, one must not forget that, see the daily charts here, it is almost trying to trade in this channel, which is a bullish channel, and hence the bottom of this channel now situated at around 11,000, 10,900, 800 zone. You need to be very alert of this. This is on the daily charts. Now let's have a look at the monthly. Now on the monthly charts, higher lows, higher highs are seen. Precisely that is what the trade range it is trying to trade into, and hence possibly we need to be now alert of this zone. It appears that the highs and lows for the month are done, and it may try to swing in between these lower levels. Hence, beyond 11,840 still there is a scope for 12,000, 12,100. In fact, 12,200 levels cannot be denied. At the same time, it may again try to pull back on the downside till towards these levels. See, one probability that it may try to close at doji. Second, it may try to close with the same body size. Now the body size here is almost 500 points, and hence if you consider it from here 11,400 levels, you can expect 11,800, 11,900 as the closing candle, closing levels of this candle. Probably towards next 8 trading sessions for this month, we may see it very range bound movement, whether be it on the upside or the downside. Here only probability for it to break past upside is beyond it 12,200 levels. Remember, it is already trading above the near term bearish channel, and it has already given a breakout. However, in the long run, there is still lot much of resistance available at 12,400 and 12,500 zone, the next targets. So this is on the observation on the monthly chart, because see, two red candles, two smaller green candles, and then a sharper red candle can be expected next month. This is how it is trying to trade in. Now let's have a look at the indicator. What does the indicators are suggesting? Because the charts and indicators must speak the same language, and if you look at the indicators here, 11,400 on the downside, very good support, 11,350, 11,400, and then 11,200. These three levels are definitely going to be a very good support for US100, and then 11,000 levels to be seen here. So you have to be alert in this zone, and beyond 11,200 certainly it is going to fly high. That is also very clear. Now see, the 20 and 50 period moving average are trading with a divergence. This is a positive divergence indication of a bullishness. The directional movement is also bullish. The stochastic, which is seen earlier, the overbought levels, and now trying to cool down. The MACD is trying to converge here, crossover for a sell. I'll wait for it to, else it may again start to diverge for the continuing the bullish momentum. RSI trading flat and near to the highs. Now look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, you can find the 20 period and 20 period moving average, a simple exponential and volume weighted, all cluttered together in between 11,900 to 12,100 levels, and that is what it is giving it a maximum resistance level. The directional movement is bearish. It is trying to converge, crossover. The stochastic is at highs. It is again trying to converge and crossover for a sell. I'll wait for it to. The MACD, however, has crossed over for a bullish move. This is the only indication for NASDAQ100 that it may try to trade bullish for a little while before it tries to drop again. The RSI is trading flat, and if you look at the monthly charts, on the monthly chart, second green candle trading above the 50 period moving average. The resistance zone is far away at 14,000 levels from the 20 months average. The directional movement is bearish. It is trying to converge. The stochastic is trading at bottom here, and there could be a pullback which is expected. The MACD is trading with bearishness, trading with divergence, and seen, it appears that it has seen the bottom. It is trying to converge from here. RS is also trading at the bottom. So we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for us to define the strategy for next week. And in the meanwhile, I prepared the levels for you. Yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. The last batch for this year is starting on 28th of November, and this is going to be the last batch for this year 2022. The next batch is only going to be in 23. This is the 17th batch, and equip yourself with the right tools and strategies such that you can be a profitable and proficient trader. You can also identify the right trades at the opportunities and cash upon those. So do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me for more details. Also, you can be part of my signals group where just trading as per the signals. Definitely you can. To reach out to me, my Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel description and video description. If you go to the homepage of my YouTube channel, you'll find the About section of the channel, and in that, the description, you'll find my email ID and Telegram ID to connect with me. Do not miss this opportunity. Join the Signal channel and trading program. Now let's start on the upside. See, it is closed at 11,680 level, and if you see it trading above 11,720, you can buy here again. Expect 11,810 to be the next target, which is definitely going to be a very good resistance. Only and only if it trades above 11,800, you can consider that as a bullish move, and then I'll be looking forward for it to again achieve 12,000 levels. Very good resistance lie here, and then 12,100, the previous high. Beyond this, certainly you can expect more bullishness towards 12,140, 12,190 levels, and then it will fly further till towards, if it breaches this, you can expect 12,400 as the next destination. Very strong resistance there. Beyond that, directly 12,500 will come into picture. Now see, first thing is be cautious of this. Second is this, and then you have to be alert of this zone. Only beyond 12,200 it will bring more bullishness and bring the potential for it to achieve 12,500 levels also on the upside, and then towards the end of the month probably it will bring little more bearishness there to drop and close at around this zone at 11,800 levels. Now where to sell? I will recommend you to sell here at 11,640 levels itself, but then expect 11,500 as the major support. In between this, you can expect on the daily charts, I'll give you the levels where you'll find the resistance, but on the weekly charts, 11,500 certainly is going to be major support. Below that, you can expect 11,400 also as the next support, and if it breaks past this, you can expect little more bearishness, which will bring it till towards 11,250. The next target, 11,100, and then 11,000. See here at 11,000, 10, 9, 20 levels, this is going to be the max support zone on the downside. Probably it may try to swing in between 10,000 or 11,000 to 12,000 for a little while, or maybe 12,500 or 12,800 levels cannot be denied if it continues to trade bullish from here, and hence you need to be cautious of 12,400, 500, 600, and then 12,800, 13,000 levels cannot be denied. Take your positions accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, and always keep closing your trades in profit, keep shifting your stop loss to cost, and keep shifting the stop loss also to the milestones which you think are as the resistance level and are as provided by me. You can shift your milestones, you can shift your stop loss to those levels such that your trade always closes in profit. Trade accordingly, trade profitably. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.